everybody, today we will learn about active and passive voice. About active and passive voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether subject does something or something has been done to it. There are two types of voice. These are active voice and passive voice. Let us see what is active voice and what is passive voice. Active voice when the subject is the dar or again of the action. The verb is in the active voice. For example, the boy makes a kite. Here, the boy is the subject and he is the door. That's why it is called active voice. When the subject is the target or receiver of the action, the word is said to be in the passive voice. For example, a kite is made by the boy. So here the subject is the receiver of the action. Okay, in active voice, the boy makes a kite. Here boy is the dar, and in this sentence the boy is the receiver of the action. So where the subject is the door, it is called active voice, and where the subject is the rest takes the place of receiver, it becomes passive voice. Let us check the word order of active voice and passive voice. How active voice word order change in both the voice in active voice. If we'll detect the example, the boy makes a kite. Okay, the word order in active voice is subject. That is the boy. Work makes a kite object. Number 2. So here subject, verb, and object. This is the word order for active voice. Now if we'll take the same sentence for the passive voice, it changes the word order get change. What is it? A kite is made by the boy. Here object takes the place of subject, then auxiliary verb, then verb, main verb, third form of participle from of verb. By is the addition which we ask for passive voice, and then subject will take the place of object. So the word order for passive voice, object plus auxiliary verb plus main verb plus by plus subject, change of pronoun. Now let us check the change of pronoun. In active voice change, when we change the active voice into passive voice, the pronoun gets changed accordingly. Okay, if the pronoun is in active voice, when we change the sentence in passive voice, it becomes mean. We in active voice becomes us in passive voice. You in active voice becomes you, remain you in passive voice. He in active voice becomes him in passive voice. She in active voice becomes her in passive voice. It in active voice remains it in passive voice. They in active voice change to them in passive voice. Now let us check about interrogative sentence. In active voice, if the sentence is in interrogative form in active voice, while changing it into passive voice, we need to take care of certain things. Okay, and the first point is if the primary auxiliary verb does or did appears in the sentence when we change the same into passive voice. It did not appear. The primary auxiliary verb do, does, or did not appear in passive voice. For example, did she recognize you this in math? Interrogative sentence in active voice where did is the primary auxiliary verb when we change the same into passive voice. Did not appear. Her, it becomes were you recognized by her. Second point is if the auxiliary verb has, have, and had are used in the passive but they change their form according to the number and person of the passive voice. Of the passive subject example, have you invited them? Okay, if the question begins with this auxiliary verbs, have you invited them? This is an interrogative sentence. It starts with have. Okay, it starts with auxiliary verb have when we change it into passive voice. It changes the form according to the number and person of the passive subject. Okay, for example, here have you invited them? Okay, when we change into the passive voice, it becomes have they been invited by you? Okay, so here have remains have because the subject is they. Okay, and we know that with you they and I we use have only. Okay, so just because the subject here is there, will us have here in the second sentence. Have you finished the work? Here the work is it. Okay, here in active voice, have you finished the work? It becomes has in passive voice. Why? Because the subject in passive voice is the subject in passive voice is the work and the work is it. Okay, it is neither they neither you. Okay, nor I, so we will us has because with it we us has, so it changes at according to the number and the portion of the subject in subject, which is we will keep in passive voice. Here it is have is used because you is there and you becomes you passive voice but change the portion. Okay, the place of passive voice in text, the place of object in passive voice, and the object of active voice takes the place of subject in passive voice. Here have you invite him? Have you invite him? So here him will take the place of subject in passive voice, and with he we use has. Okay, with he, see, it we use has. So just because it is he, we, us has here, so ultimately has f and had in passive voice used according to the person and number of the subject of passive voice. Okay, next third point is the question word. When, why, where, how, and what, they do not change their position and the beginning of the sentence with changing it into passive voice. We change active voice with this word, that is when, why, where, how, and what. When we change this type of question into passive, the position of this remain the same. For example, what did he say? So when we change this into passive voice, what remains at its place? Okay, that is what rest is changed according to the word order we have started so far. Sam, who did you invite? Here only whom become who and who becomes by whom. Okay. The verb will, shall, can, or many do not change position at the beginning of the sentence. So the verb, if the verb will, shall, can, or may, so if active voice start with this word, it did not change its position at the beginning of the sentence. That means it remains the same in passive voice. Also, will you help me? Will I be helped by you? So here will remains at its place. It did not change its position. Rest parties change according to the word of active to passive voice. Same with can anyone cure it? Can it be cured by anyone? Will he accept or invitation will remain at its position, and rest parts is convert or change into passive voice as per the word order or structure we have studied. Okay, that's all my explanation about passive voice. Hopefully useful for those of you who have watched. Thank you for watching and me and this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.